everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we're going to be unboxing the Wireless Go 2. The Go 2 is perfect with my setup. It solves so many issues, and I'm going to tell you why. Before we continue, I want to mention two crucial things. One, I'm not tech savvy, so if you're looking for someone to explain in every detail about this device, you have come to the wrong place. But thankfully, I'm going to post a link to some helpful videos in the description box down below. Two, I'm not sponsored by this company. Now, with that being said, let's start it. Hi, I'm FabuRocks, but my family calls me Fabu. I've been creating videos and live streaming since I was 7 years old as a form of therapy that my parents, Fa Mom and Fa Dad, have created for me to overcome my speech delay, learning disability, and ADHD. Now that I'm older and overcome many challenges, my goal and plan is to empower others like me. That is why I am founder and leader of the Fabu Army, a clan that supports and empowers young content creators like myself. I'm the youngest Facebook gaming partner and youngest former Mixer partner. I'm sponsored by Turtle Beach, Rockhat, and G Fuel. Okay, let's unbox this beauty. Okay, let's open it. Okay. Right now we have we have a guide. Nice. Nice. This looks really cool. Right here we have two transmitter and a receiver. Awesome. This looks really cool actually. Right here we have three USB-C cables. Awesome. We also have audio cable right here. So this is neat. Neat. Here's a pouch. Actually, I actually saw something. I kind of looked it up. This pouch. Did you know this pouch is like twice as big as the Wireless Go 1? Because with this pouch, if I can open it, protects the two transmitters and the receiver, which is neat because with the Wireless Go 1, it only had one receiver and one transmitter, so that's really nice. It protects. It's cute. It's protected. If you're wondering what this is, it's a fur windshield, which means that when I go outside and put it on the transmitter, it protects, well, the audio of the wind. You know that audio of the wind, like crashing, and it's super loud. Well, it protects it so it doesn't be muffled or look bad in the video. So now I'm going to name up to 4 features of the Wireless Go 2. So let's check it. Number 1, wireless. In my opinion, this feature, wireless, is what makes the Go 2 special and unique. This feature means that, for example, when we go to my grandma's house and bring my badass grandma with the shotgun, which is a high quality microphone because we're all about the high quality, baby, and connect it to the G2, it becomes wireless, which is easier to maneuver. This is perfect for, let's say, podcasts, book clubs, or even outside with Miss Cleo in the park. Number 2, more than one. Well, the main difference between the Go 2 and the Go 1 is that the Go 2 is 2 microphones, which allows for 2 people to talk, which is great for the IRL. But this feature is really helpful considering we are a family. And if you didn't know, families are weirdos. But no joke, this feature is another reason that makes this device badass. Am I right? And this is great for, let's say, David Letterman, who always asks guests to come and talk about themselves and their life. And there's always at least 2 people talking, David Letterman and his guest. And this is perfect for him. By the way, I'm referring to David Letterman because Farah watches David Letterman. What a boomer. 3, over 24 hours of memory. Okay, it's no secret about my speech delay. And usually, doing a video is about 4 hours to prepare and 3 hours to do it. But with this baby, it can hold all of that crazy and dumb shit we talk about during the video. And it's quick and easy. So you don't have to prepare for like over 4 hours, which is a huge plus for us. Because, you know, time is valuable. Number 4, double for everything. So this means twice the sound, so better audio all day long. Twice the range, which means, for example, during the arrow, I was running after Miss Cleo in a humongous field. And when we saw the video again, we realized that the microphone picked up my sound, which is fantastic. Twice the freedom, which means the universal compatibility, which means that the Go 2 can be used by almost everything, which is great for, let's say, I take my computer with me and I go to school, online by the way. I could use this unstoppable Go 2 for school. But universal compatibility isn't just for computers, though it's for cameras, Androids, even iPhones. Now we're going to show some accessories that we have bought separately, and we have the coolest of the coolest accessories, duh, because we are OGs. Boy! Number 1, Lavalier Go. The Lavalier is awesome. It's a professional microphone that is designed to pair with the G2. It's known for its crystal clear audio, which is perfect for my setup, and it's also super little, so the audience wouldn't even know. But this device goes perfectly with my setup, but it's quick, portable to any location we want to record. And with the Go2, it makes the Lavalier wireless. How cool is that? We usually use this, for instance, I was rollerblading, which by the way, if you didn't know, I love rollerblading, and we want to record when I'm saying while I'm recording, we use the Lavalier Go, and we put the wire under our shirt so it wouldn't look weird. Fun fact, I actually have the Lavalier on me. Look. And right now I am using the wireless Go 1. I have the box right here. Psh, I'm the O of the G. Number 2, Interview Go. This is perfect if your dream is to be a reporter. Like, I truly love this accessory. It's so fun and playful. And it really hypes me up, like I'm a reporter in the news talking about whatever. We usually use this by, for instance, that one time where we were in Wawa for G Fuel, and we were talking about how G Fuel was going to Wawa. Well, we used this. It was so cool. I looked like a reporter, like, hey, G Fuel is going to Wawa right now. Come and get it. By the way, if you want the link to that video, I'm going to put it in the description box down below. And yeah. By the way, if you're wondering how to connect the microphone to the Interview Go, I'm going to show you. Take that out. You guys saw nothing. We do this right here. Here, slip it on, and then put this. And I'm a reporter. That's how you do it, boys. Whoop! Wawa, am I right? Coming you live from the MIA, we just found out that FabuRocks has a code for G Fuel, which is FabuRocks, which equals for 30% off. So use it right now. Go to gfuel.com and use code FabuRocks. 3, ClipGo. ClipGo is a magnetic clip system that allows for total flexibility. It's super nice and quick. I'm going to show you right now. Actually, fun fact, I am using it right now. Look, I had it under the shirt, and yeah. So what this is used for, I put it right here. That's it. And I do this, and look. Boop. It's super quick. And it's not even that heavy, so it's really, it doesn't like bother you. And you don't even notice it's there, to be honest. 4, DCS1. This means that I can hold, let's say, a shotgun and a microphone neatly and safely. And by the way, actually, we have here today 2 shotguns. One is the Video Mic NTG. It's we use it personally for cameras. We use it on this one specifically. We use it for our main camera where we take photos and for photo shoots and everything. And here we have the Video Micro, which we use on the GoPro, which Mom uses, and the iPhone, which is nice and neat. And the beautiful part about this is that right now we could just connect it right here with this, and it's 100% wireless, and it's neat and safe, so it doesn't dangle or anything. And by the way, right now we have NTG5, which right now we have a cord, but if we used this, it could be 100% wireless. That's the beauty of this and this. And with this, we can make it wireless, and it's 100%, which is awesome and perfect for us because we don't have like cords everywhere, and it wouldn't take us a long time. Also, another way we use the Go 2 is for the teleprompter. If you don't know what a teleprompter is, I'm gonna tell you. A teleprompter is where you read a script in front of you. It's like a digital book. And for the teleprompter to continue down the script, it needs to hear your voice so it can scroll down. So you could connect the Go 2 to the lavalier, and the lavalier wouldn't be for the video but for the teleprompter, and it would be clear, crisp, and wireless. How cool is that? This Go 2 is incredible. It's quick and not heavy. I'm gonna call it that the Go 2 is going to go places. The Go 2 is going to help people in the technology industry and for professional recording. And it's going to help people with their setup and maybe even save up the money. This is the future, baby. Either fight it or join it, am I right? But jokes aside, this Go 2 is unbelievable. It's unstoppable. And yes, it might be a little expensive, but good things come in small packages, like my mom. And I'm gonna invite you all to the daily session where each new video is a new therapy session. And like always, don't forget, the best way you guys can support me is by joining the Fabu fam. How, we ask? Well, you can start by subscribing right now and hitting that notification bell. And I would really appreciate if you could visit our website, FabuRocks.com. And also, another way you guys can support me is by going through our Amazon influencer store. I'm gonna post all the links to any of this gear in the description box down below. And like always, just be yourself, because that is Fabulicious. Bye! Wait. Time for the accessories. Boys! Oh, boys!
Okay.
Oh, boys! That's the Kool-Aid.
We have the Kool-Aid!
We have the Kool-Aid. Okay. I've been creating videos and live streaming since I was 7 years old. As a form of therapy that my parents, Fa Mom and Fa Dad, have created since I was 7 years old. As a form of therapy, I swear. And we have the coolest of the coolest. Sorry. We're OGs. We're OGs. We're OGs. So dumb. Can we go to the next one? My name is Fabu. It starts with an F, and also I don't know how to rap. Fabu. What does Fabu rap with? Rhyme with? Labu? Kabu? My dad watches David Letterman. What a boomer, am I right?
Your face?
Protects the wind. If it's
I'm just gonna protect them.
Hello, wind. I'm gonna protect myself from the wind because the wind is a bad, bad wind.
Gucci. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Mommy. Mommy?